Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Taken Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to turn off rate receipt on Instagram DM. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Instagram app. Make sure you have updated Instagram. This feature might not be available in previous versions. So let's get into message icon on the top right corner. So here it is. Now choose any contact and you can simply message, and the message is sent and it might be seen. So to make it on scene or even after you sent it, you can simply tap on this profile icon over here and click on privacy and safety, and scroll down. Over here we can see read receipt option is turned on. Simply turn this off and you are done. So that is all we can do to turn off read receipt on Instagram DM. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.